I'm lost in the TV still, having fun, watching the stars. Alexa, stop. Hey guys, what's up? It's Eunice and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we have another Dyson Airwrap tutorial. And for today, we are going to use the 1.6-inch barrels. I've had some difficulty when I first started using these barrels because it really takes some time to learn it and know how to use it on your type of hair. So it's been about 4 months since I got my Dyson Airwrap, and I finally know how I like to use the air barrel tools or the barrel tools or the barrel attachment. So if you want to see how I use these attachments, then just keep on watching. Okay, so we're starting off with blow drying our hair. So that's usually the best way to use the barrels nga eh. Kasi napansin ko, if I use this right away without blow drying my hair, nahihirapan yung hair ko kumapit dun sa barrel, and in turn, mas matatagalan ako mag-style ng hair. So, mas okay na I'll take my time drying my hair using the hair dryer attachment, tapos tsaka ako gagamitin yung barrels. So as usual, we're starting off with, of course, a heat protectant spray. So again, dry bar, prep rally, prime and prep detangler. Naging favorite ko na to. I actually got this from a subscription box and then I just fell in love with it. So I might repurchase this. Kaso may padating ako na hair mist from Lux Organics. In-order ko siya kasi gusto ko matry yung mga, of course, local brands natin dyan sa Philippines. So just making sure that I'm able to spray some heat protectant all over my hair para we can protect it from the heat. What? Anyway, highest heat setting and then highest power setting as well, and now we're gonna dry our hair. I mean, the best thing about this hair dryer is you can have a concert and have your own Beyonce moment whenever you're drying your hair. So it's a little, well, it's dry damp. Some areas are still damp, but that's okay. So what I'm gonna do is just comb my fingers through my hair. And then for this hairstyle, I've been putting my part on this side of my face for some reason. I don't know why I'm doing that, but that's what I'm doing. And then I just get like a small clamp or clam. Is that what you call that? And then what I do is kind of like a half pony or a half up. And then what I like to do is grab my clam and just clam that together. But we're not yet done. Then I divide my hair into two. Then siguro we'll start on this side. So it's still a little damp. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna run it through the blow dryer just one last time, and then we can start adding some body into it using the barrels. I'm just gonna spray a little bit more of the prep and prime. Comb that through. Then I'm gonna grab my first section, which is a little more than an inch. And then we're going to replace the hair dryer attachment with the barrel. Tapos again, going away from your face. And then what I like to do is, again, highest heat setting, highest power setting. And then I just focus it on the ends of my hair. So I do like 10 Mississippi and then full shot. And then I just throw it on the back. And then I grab my next section. So the sections, the layers is not parang the bottom layer tapos middle top. It's more of like vertically vertical sections. Does that make sense? And then again, going back to my air wrap, just helping it latch on for a bit. Sometimes if it's too thick, nahuhulog siya. You know. But that's okay kasi what I'm going for is really just for body. Hindi ko naman siya kina-curl like a curling iron. And that's something that I realized with the air wrap. I like it better for adding body to my hair and not really replacing my curling iron with it. Then last one. If you don't want to like wrap your hair around it and you want your hair to naturally attach to the barrel, what I like to do is focusing it on the ends. Tapos yung hair will immediately attach to the barrel na. Look. See? And then just focusing it on the ends talaga. Now, all we need to do is do that on the other side naman. Oops! Before that pala, make sure to replace your attachment with the other one that goes the opposite direction. Which is tama naman yung attachment ko kanina. Kalimutan ko lang i-mention. There. Tapos, for my bangs, what I like to use is the round brush. And then, I just gather my bangs. Actually, okay na din yung ganyan. Pero, sometimes, pag gusto kong medyo mas may style, parang mas may body nga, ganyan. Okay, so, I just grab my bangs. And then, I just put it on the low heat setting. And then, I just... Then up. And then, it just has more volume. Kind of like curtain bangs. Hindi ko masyadong, I don't really like the middle part for my face. I don't think it looks good. So we're just gonna use a side part. Well, we're just gonna do a side part. And then you can always finish it off with some strengthening oil. What I like to use is, again, the Briogeo Don't Despair Repair strengthening treatment oil. So I just apply like a few drops. Almost out of it. As you can see, this is one of my favorite oils because it's not too heavy, but it does the job. So focus that on the end. So that is how I like to use the barrel attachment from the Dyson Airwrap. As you can see, it's not really curled. It's just giving my hair some volume. Ayan. At first, when I started using the Dyson Airwrap, I thought it was gonna replace my curling iron, but I realized na it won't. It's really just meant to bring volume and body to your hair. It's not really gonna curl it. Well, for me, for my type of hair wherein I have like fine straight hair, not really fine because my hair has gotten thicker, but really naturally straight hair, the Dyson Airwrap has a little bit of trouble keeping the curls, and a lot of times it doesn't look as good and it's not what I want, but I found a use for them, and it's bringing some body like this at the ends and just giving myself like a blown out look and more like put together. I feel like more stylized hair in my opinion. So that is how I like to use the 1.6-inch barrel attachments from the Dyson Airwrap. If you like this video, I hope that you give it a thumbs up. I hope that it was helpful and it also helped you style your hair with the Dyson Airwrap. Or if you're thinking about getting it, I hope that this video helped you decide on whether or not you need it as well. So thank you so much for watching this video. Once again, it's Eunice. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!